What is the difference between cactus and succulent? Succulents are any plants that store water in their fleshy leaves, stems, roots that they will use in order to survive drought. There are more than 50 plant families that are included in the succulent category. Contrary to most people think that succulent belong to only one plant family. While cactus is a subcategory of succulents, that means all cactus are succulent. Succulents include many plant families such as cactus, lithops, sempervivum, aloe, agave, haworthia, gasteria, sansevieria, most of euphorbia, and more. Nowadays, horticulturists separate cactus from succulent. This is the reason why there are confusion between succulent and cactus. Cactus is a specific succulent family. How to identify cactus from the rest? Before we continue, please click the subscribe button and click like. Let's continue. How to identify cactus from other succulents? Cactus mostly have spines, glaucids. This is a bristle like thorns. They have flowers or sometimes leaves which grow from aerial. This is the main difference that sets cactus apart from other succulent plant family, the aerial. This is the aerial. Without this, a succulent cannot be called cactus, even if they have thorns and fleshy stems and trunks. Let's have an actual exercise in determining a cactus. I will show you 5 plants and tell me if this is a cactus or not. Example number 1. Cactus or not? Example number 2. Cactus or not? Example number 3. Cactus or not? Example number 4. Cactus or not? Example number 5. Cactus or not? And the correct answer is number 1. This is a cactus because of thorns grow from the area. Number 2. This is again a cactus because spines grow from the area. Number 3. This is also a cactus. Glaucids grow from the aerial. Number 4. We cannot see any aerial with spines growing in it. So this is not a cactus. Number 5. Again, there is no aerial. This is not a cactus. So the first 3 are cacti and the last 2 are not. Did you get a perfect score? Way to go! Now you know how to distinguish a cactus. Please post your scores in the comments below. We will talk about the plant that is mostly mistaken for cactus in our next video. After this is our subscribe button. Please subscribe.